Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you my idea about making the table runner with our leaf material. First of all, look at the leaf. Look at our leaves come with a branch. Okay, there are different colors of the leaf in one branch. A lot of leaf will be a little bit deeper, and there are several leaves will be much light. The color will be a little bit lighter. So that will make the leaf branch much more close to the nature. Okay. The procedure will be very simple. Just take off the leaf. Okay, so put it in the middle of the long table. This idea will be much more suitable for long table. Like this. Lighter. Okay. After put the leaf in line, the come out will be look nice. If you put it on the table, it's not much wide. I think one leaf will be okay. But if your table will be wider, we will put another leaf on here. I will show you that later. But first of all, let's check it. Okay, and then I will use our oaky wine. Now this is our oaky wine. It's very long, about 1.5 long, full of oaky flower. Because there are iron wire inside, so if you don't want it so long, you can bend it several times. So you will take the flower wine will be broken. So you can take any long of the flower wine you want, like this, and then put it in the middle, on the middle of the leaf, like this. And then let's put some candle. You can put some small candle like this on here. And since I only have one sample of this type of candle, so I will use some smaller candle by instead. Okay. I'm not sure if I can show you the effect, but they come out really very beautiful. Use this type of candle will be better, but since I don't have so many like this, I know you know what I try to extract, and in the middle, the place between two soft rock oaky wine, you can put some larger candle. Maybe white color will be much more better, but I only have the small green color candle. So, okay. like this. This idea will be better for small, the table not much wide. Okay. Okay, then if you want the leaf table runner will be much more wider, we can add more leaf on two sides of the runner will be okay. Okay, I will show you. Take our leaf, take some leaf. Okay, and then put on the two sides like this. Here. Here. Okay, so the table runner will be much more wider. And if you want to, the orchid flower will be much more full. It's okay. Just put another part of the orchid vine like this. This one will be a little face on this side, and the other side put like this, face on this side will be okay. Okay, so completed like this. Just put some candle on both sides of the leaf, so when it light up, the come out will be much more pretty. Okay, so if you find it's not, because the leaf just put on the table, so your guest will tear it off, take it off. Very easy. You want it to be fixed in the place. So we have a solution by putting the leaf onto our flower support wire. Very simple, just insert the leaf on the spine will be okay. I will show you that. Okay, so it's very simple. Just put the leaf in the middle. Put it on the spine will be okay. Like this. Just make the middle line. Okay, the middle line. And then put the leaf on both sides. Starting from put on the place you want it to be. Like this. because can use, let's check the detail. There are 3 spines in one place in different directions, so it can help you to hold the leaf on different directions, in 3 directions, by using this flower support wire. Okay, so I will show you the effect. Okay, so completed. Look at this, so the leaf will be not easy to take it off from its space, the space. And if you want 100% safe, you can just some hot glue before you put the leaf on the spine. And by using this flower support wire, so you can pre-made it. You can pre-made the runner, and when on the event day, just put it on the table and adjust the leaf place will be okay. Then just put on the flower, the candle will be okay. The effects are the same. Okay, so this is the effect after I put on the candle and the OK flower wine. So the effects are the same. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Very simple and not expensive. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye bye.